Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite channel Studlins, which adds excellence to your learning.
Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss the incredible world of drone technology and why it's worth learning. Drones are more than just cool gadgets. They are revolutionizing industries and opening up new possibilities. Let's explore why you should dive into the realm of drones. Drones have endless application across industries. In filmmaking, they offer breathtaking aerial shots and perspectives that were once impossible to capture. In agriculture, drones can monitor crop health, optimize irrigation, and improve yield. They are used in search and rescue missions, infrastructure inspections, environmental monitoring, and so much more. Learning drone technology equips you with skills that can be applied in numerous fields. The drone industry is booming and it's creating an abundance of career opportunities. By learning drone technology, you position yourself at the forefront of a rapidly expanding sector. Companies are in need of skilled professionals who can operate drones, develop software, analyze data, and ensure regulatory compliance. Whether you are interested in engineering, photography, environmental sciences, or entrepreneurship, drone technology opens doors to exciting careers. Drones spark innovation and entrepreneurial ventures. Many startups have emerged with groundbreaking ideas, pushing the boundaries of what drones can do. From drone delivery services to autonomous inspection systems, the possibilities are limitless. By mastering drone technology, you can gain the knowledge and skills to create your own startup or be a part of cutting-edge projects that shape the future. Drones are multidisciplinary tools, and learning about them involves developing a wide range of skills. Operating a drone requires understanding aerodynamics, electronics, and software. Analyzing drone data involves knowledge of data science and machine learning. Building drones combines elements of engineering and design. By dwelling into drone technology, you acquire a diverse skill set that makes you adaptable and valuable in an ever-changing job market. Lastly, learning drone technology empowers you to make a positive impact in society. Drones have proven invaluable in disaster response, helping locate survivors, deliver aid, and assess damages in hard-to-reach areas. By acquiring drone skills, you become a part of a community that leverages technology for humanitarian purposes. Imagine being able to contribute to saving lives and making a difference when it matters the most. In this interesting path of learning, this whole certification is divided into modules where we will be covering topics from the very fundamentals, like understanding the components of the drones and their importance. Then, in the same lecture, we're also going to see about various components and teams involved in the operation of drones, like mapping and GCS, which is the ground control system. We will also see what are the practical implementations of drone. We will end up our learning by seeing how we can make a drone. So, my friends, the world of drone technology is waiting for you to explore and pioneer. Whether you are driven by curiosity, career prospectus, or the desire to make a difference, learning drone technology will unlock a world of opportunities. Embrace this exciting journey and soar to new heights.